Boeing 757 scheduled maintenance task. This task is normally issued to perform an operational check of the low fuel quantity indicating system to make sure that the ECAS receives both the low fuel and fuel config discrete signals from the fuel quantity processor unit. And the fuel quantity indication system, the FQIS, is functioning correctly. It's part of an SB 75-28-0121, blah, blah, blah. So this, to my knowledge, goes back to the 747 centre fuel tank that exploded, and it's the manufacturers and the authorities' answer to keep an eye going forward on the condition of aircraft wiring. So we'll go through the steps of the test. It's quite simple. So we are looking at the P61 panel on the right hand side. There's the toggle switch to fuel quantity. So on the P5 panel, all the LEDs will illuminate to indicate they're working correctly, and the fuel config light will illuminate just above the annunciator light. And lastly, on the ICAS display, you will get on the top one low fuel, there it is, and on the bottom you get the maintenance messages or status messages, fuel quantity indication, and fuel quantity channels. So all systems working, test has passed.